A number of troubling reports about the accuracy of credit reports, as well as consumers' inability to correct.
FTC looked at 3,000 credit reports. They found that 21% had a confirmed material error.
The federal law says that if you believe that there is a mistake, you can go to them and they have an obligation to do a reasonable investigation. They're not doing a reasonable investigation. They're not doing an investigation at all.
Jones, a clothing salesman in Dallas, says the debt collector's calls continued even after he told them his Bank of America account was up to date.
I couldn't refinance. I couldn't take advantage of the interest rates. I couldn't get a car. I couldn't co-sign for my.
Chances are your credit score should be higher. A recent government study revealed that 4 out of 5 credit reports contain errors. Watch our free presentation to learn how to easily remove these errors. You shouldn't have to deal with the frustration of having bad credit due to the credit bureau's mistakes. Click now to watch this presentation and stand up to the credit bureaus.
I want to show you that we actually sent a dispute letter, certified mail, and this is a real receipt. I have this receipt. It was sent on January 26, 2010. You see here it was sent to TransUnion, and here's the tracking number of the certified mail letter. You can go to USPS.com, you can put this number in, and you're going to see it was a real letter that was delivered. And if you don't want to do that, I already did it for you. Here it is, USPS.com. Here's the tracking number. It shows you it was a first-class certified mail letter. It was delivered on January 29, 2010 to TransUnion, Pennsylvania. Okay, this letter was delivered. Remember that, January 29, 2010. Here is the letter that we received back from TransUnion. I scanned it. I just wanted you to see that it's a real letter. And let me zoom in on the postage here. It shows you February 19, 2010. Okay, TransUnion received the letter on the 29th of January. On the 19th, they sent a reply with the investigation results. Okay, let's take a look at what was in that letter. Here's your standard cover from TransUnion. If you've ever disputed anything on your credit, you see they have a standard cover sheet. Up here you can see February 18th, 2010. TransUnion. The letter was dated the 18th. It was mailed the 19th. Here's the return address from TransUnion. We blacked out the information from the person for privacy purposes. And this is the letter. And here are the investigation results. Here you go. Here's right here all the creditors. These are the account numbers that are blacked out for privacy purposes, and here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay, because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter, using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's so frustrating. If you can type a letter and go to the post office, you can do this yourself. You don't have to pay people thousands of dollars to clean your credit. What would this do for your world right now? How much is having bad credit holding you back? If you're a business person, it is really holding you back. You can't get financing, you can't get a credit card, you can't get loans to expand your business, credit lines, you can't do anything. You can't buy real estate. And just as a regular person, you can't get a credit card, you can't buy a car, you have to go to a buy here, pay here lot with bad credit. You can't get a mortgage, you can't rent an apartment with bad credit, you can't even rent a car with bad credit. There's so many things you can't do when you have bad credit. And this letter has the ability in as little as 20 days to change all that for you. Now, certainly you're not going to get 100% of your items removed on the first letter, and some people, all results vary, but you may get a few items on the first letter, you may get a lot of items on the first letter, but you're not going to get everything. So you're going to go to round 2 and you're going to keep attacking it. But let's say within 30 to 60 days you can wipe your own credit clean. Let me just tell you, it's a different world. It's an entirely different world to no longer be afraid of your credit. And I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus. In as little as 20 to 30 days, you can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.